Welcome to the course on Spoken English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the video on asking and answering questions on personal information part 3. Now, let's go ahead with questions and answers on hobbies and interests. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies include photography, gardening, and cycling.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy playing video games, going for walks, and trying out new recipes.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer and tennis.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and the piano.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music and classical music.
What are your favorite books?
My favorite books are To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee and 1984 by George Orwell.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No, I don't enjoy cooking.
What is your favorite type of cuisine?
My favorite type of cuisine is Italian.
Do you like to travel? If so, where have you been?
Yes, I like to travel. I have been to France, Japan, and Brazil.
What is your favorite movie or TV show?
My favorite movie is Inception.
This is how you should ask and answer the questions on hobbies and interests. Now, let's go ahead with questions and answers on preferences. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside because it's peaceful and close to nature.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
I am an early bird.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I prefer reading books because I love getting lost in a good story.
What is your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is cool and breezy.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
This is how you should ask and answer the questions on preferences. Let me give you a few activities based on this session. Number 1. Listen to the audio of the conversation and try to mimic the accent. Number 2. Note down the syntax of the answers and replace the details with yours. Number 3. Choose a family member or a friend to practice with you. One can ask the questions, the other can answer, and vice versa. Remember, when answering more personal questions, you should be thoughtful and provide meaningful details. Additionally, be mindful of sharing sensitive information, such as your address, phone number, or email, in public or in secure environments. Our next session will be on small talk and social interactions. Until we meet again, take care and thank you. For any technical, non-technical, academic course developments and online classes, feel free to contact Alvin Design Technologies. The contact details are shown on the screen. Thank you.